That's pretty cool, don't you think?
Yeah, I agree.
Motorized curtain tracking system. That's the instructions. I get it, so it'll pull it out. But how does it go back in? It doesn't work without a belt. I was looking for a black belt. That is going to cap this. This needs to be finished off. And I came up with a cool idea on how to do it. It's to add a little walnut detail, and it is quarter sawn walnut. So it's cut with the grain going up like this, and it creates a really nifty pattern right there. The second one I cut is cool, but it's not as cool. So I gotta go find some more of this quarter sawn and see if I can match it. I like these. Yeah. We're gonna roll it in, stop, pick it up.
You ready to do it?
Yeah, once this is assembled, it's assembled forever. Works for me. This is the side rail to the bed, and everything about this is spot on. It's tight, it's neat, it's clean. I've got a deadline for this bed. Not been easy, but the reward is starting to really pay off now. These are some of the aluminum parts that I cut out on the CNC router. So the wood router can actually cut metal as well, and that's really cool. I was able to cut out the parts I need to make the brackets that I'm going to use to hold the side rails on the bed. And the cool thing about the CNC, it comes out pretty perfect. So I'm going to assemble these parts, we're going to make the brackets, and then we'll be able to start putting this bed together. There it is. Nice, big, heavy-duty aluminum bracket.
Tim says there are official team jackets.
Other panel because we have to flip it around the other way.
Way through, or?
Yeah, I want it in the center here. I think we're going to put it together.
All right.
You know what we need to do though? It's been a real challenge and a real difficult process for me to do it out of my comfort zone. But now, seeing this come together and seeing the beauty of the engineering, the aluminum mixing with the cherry and the walnut, the side rail, the integrity, the style, I know that we're onto something. I know this is going to be one beautiful, fantastic piece of furniture.
Nice size bed. Good old thing.
Gonna have that big canopy coming right here.
Mm-hmm. And my favorite part.
What? Sexy time?
Great.
Crazy. It's looking good, you know that? Are you critiquing my design? Really? I like the low profile feel of it. It's a huge bed. It's huge. But it doesn't feel massive and heavy because we went with the shorter footboard here. So the mattress is going to be right here, obviously. But it doesn't have a lot of real heavy bulk to it. Good job, brother. Now, the fun begins.
Oh, and you're gonna take a nap.
So we can't store the curtain back here.
I know. It sucks.